Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to view your Facebook page as a visitor. Then you have to go to your Facebook page first. Then click on top right corner your profile icon. Make sure that you are on your Facebook page, not your normal Facebook account. How you can check this? You can see here that your Facebook name, normal account name, and your Facebook page name. You have to click on the Facebook page name. Okay. After that, you have to click on this bottom top left corner, this Facebook page name with icon. Click on this and you have to click on this three dot icon, and then you'll find here view as. Click on view as, and this is the visitor mode. Okay, now you are viewing your Facebook page as a visitor. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.